In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new wallet using Phantom, an easy-to-use platform that's gaining traction for its simplicity and robust features. We'll be focusing on how to do this using your PC, but I'll also touch on how you can do it on your mobile device. So, let's dive right in. If you're on a mobile device and want to create your wallet that way, you can head over to the Google Play Store, grab the Phantom app, and create an account using your email. But for today's demonstration, we'll be using a computer. First, open up your browser and navigate to the Phantom website. Once you're there, look for the download button and click on it. You'll see an option to download for Chrome. Go ahead and click on that if you're using Google Chrome as your browser. Although it shows Remove from Chrome on my screen because I already have it installed, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to add it as an extension. Once it's added successfully, you can easily access Phantom by going to your Extensions tab, which you can find in the top right area of your browser. Click on it and select Phantom. Now, you're all set to create your wallet. When you open Phantom, you'll see two options. One for creating a new wallet and another if you already have an account. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on Create a new wallet. Next up, you'll be prompted to continue with an email. Click on that and you'll be given an option to choose which service you prefer, either Apple or Google. Select the one that works best for you. If you opt for Google, it will allow you to choose which email you'd like your wallet to be connected to. Just follow along with the on-screen prompts to finalize the setup. Once everything is done, you'll be able to see what your wallet looks like. On your homepage, you'll find an overview of your tokens and additional features that let you manage your wallet effectively. You can send, receive, swap, and even purchase tokens all from this main interface. These functions enable you to handle transactions with ease, making everything very user-friendly and straightforward. And there you have it. Creating a new wallet with Phantom is quite simple and direct when you follow these steps. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you to understand. Whether you're on a PC like this tutorial or using your mobile device, you'll find creating your new wallet a breeze. Thank you for tuning in and happy transacting.